So remove the antenna. I'm in the process of peeling off this whatever somebody had going on here. Trying to seal this thing. Man, this is gonna be something else. So I've spent most of the day getting the old sealant, about 3 or 4 layers of different stuff that people have put on over the years. Ended up having to use AIRSTREAM remover and just keep layering on until it comes off. You can see way over there, it's clean. Come back with the mineral spirits and clean it up. Probably have to reapply again. Yeah, not fun. That's it. Pretty much done. I'm going to have to go back over it with another coat of the stuff a little bit, but the discoloration is just from the sun and that stuff being on there for all those years. Just into the metal. But all the majority of it's gone.
How's it going?
Going good.
Looks good?
Yeah. You can walk up the ladder here, you can see.
Like that?
Here, I'll do it better for you. I'll put you about where the AC was.